Hello, management professionals enthusiasts. Join this video to engage and learn about essential business analysis framework. In this video, we discuss
MoSCoW, must or should, could or would. MoSCoW is a prioritization technique used to manage and categorize tasks or features into 4 categories. Must-have, requirements necessary for the successful completion of the project. Should-have, important, requirements for project completion but not necessary. Could-have, requirements that are nice to have but without impact when left out. Won't-have, requirements recognized as low priority for the project. How to use MoSCoW. Use it to prioritize project tasks or features based on their importance and urgency. Helps focus resources on critical success factors while managing stakeholder expectations. Pro tip: be flexible as priorities may shift, but always keep the focus on the must-have items for project success. The use case. Model use case modeling is a technique used in software and systems engineering to identify, clarify, and organize system requirements. It involves creating detailed descriptions of how users, actors, interact with a system to achieve specific goals, use cases. It can also be used for internal business systems. How to use the use case model. Identify. Actors, define use cases, define. Use case. Scenarios create, diagrams connect the dots. Pro tip: prioritize use cases to manage complexity and development efforts. Gap analysis. Gap analysis assesses the difference between the current state of a business or system and its desired future state. It identifies gaps in performance, capabilities, or resources and determines the steps to bridge those gaps. Steps for gap. Analysis, define, current state, identify. Desired state, analyze. Gaps, develop an action plan. How to use. Gap analysis. Use both quantitative and qualitative data to support the analysis. Engage stakeholders across various organizational levels. Design thinking. Design thinking is a non-linear, iterative process used to understand users, challenge assumptions, redefine problems, and create innovative solutions to prototype and test. It consists of 5 phases. Empathize, conduct research to understand the user's pain points. Define, synthesize the information to define the core problems. Ideate, brainstorm a wide range of creative solutions. Prototype, build scaled-down versions of the solution. Test. Share prototypes with users for feedback and refinement. Principles of design thinking. Focus on human-centered solutions. Encourage collaboration and creativity. Emphasize iterative testing and learning. CATWOE is a problem-solving approach that stands for customers. Who are they? How does the issue affect them? Actors. Who is involved in the situation? Transformation. What processes or systems are affected? Worldview. What are the wider impacts of the issue? Owner. Who owns the process being investigated? Environmental constraints. What constraints might impact success? How to use CATWOE. Understand stakeholders. Define problems clearly. Identify solutions from multiple angles. These frameworks provide structured methodologies for effective business analysis, ensuring clarity, prioritization, and innovative problem-solving throughout project development and management.